Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a fun clean with me video. I have company coming over tonight and you haven't even seen the worst of how this house looks right now. So I need to be tidying up today, and I also need to get the seating area ready for our guests because we sold our sofas and we didn't realize that the sectional that we ordered is actually back ordered until January. So we're trying to see if we can get that sooner because this isn't a good situation for hosting people at all. We have a futon, which I'll show you later on in the video. So we have just individual chairs that we have to set up all over our living room. So I mean, it's not ideal, but for the time being, we're trying to make it work to the best that we can. So let's get into cleaning today. If you are new here, my name is Michaela. It is nice to virtually meet you. I post all about cleaning videos, I post lifestyle videos, vlogs, just day in my life kind of videos. And I also share a lot about my faith in God as well, because that is very important to me. So let's get into this video today, guys. So before I show you how disastrous this kitchen is, I have to preface this by saying that both me and my husband worked 12 hours yesterday, and working outside of the home and coming back late at night, you just kind of want to eat your supper and you just want to go to bed. So that is the state of my kitchen. Normally, this is not how it is. Normally, I clean up my kitchen every day before bed, but yesterday was an odd day where I didn't, and I am facing the consequences of that today. someone that works from home, at any moment I can just take out my iPad and I can sign up for a policy. So I just have to update my husband and my husband that I am paid to write up the policy. So this is what working from home is all about. I'm now in the kitchen. I have a little bit of pocket of time that I'm going to use to do this and work for a few minutes, and then I'm going to get back to cleaning the house. So I'm just going to start on this now. Okay, so right now this is honestly our only living room furniture we have for seating. So the new sectional is going to go all the way from this wall here. So it's going to go all the way to probably about there, and then all the way to that wall there, and then all the way to the other wall. I don't know if we'll switch up the configurations of it or what, but that is what we're working with now. And so now I'm going to put all those chairs and just align them up. We have people coming over today. that concludes my cleaning day and setting up for our guests that are coming over today, and I feel so relieved that it's all done, and it's not even 2 p.m. and people aren't coming till 7, so I have 5 hours to just relax, get supper started. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video, and if you enjoy this content and want to see more, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be notified when I post a new video. See you guys!